But for Kubernetes, we need a Docker, right?
Yeah, for Kubernetes we need Docker. Anyone join? And I will see. Let us start it.
Devops just
Few people.
joined. Yeah, total three.
Okay, we'll start it, no problem. Starting the instance case. Yeah, copy the public IP sessions SSH remote host is, put the public IP here, EC2 hyphen user, advanced SSH settings, open. Okay. In our last class we have done till like downloading one package, that is SonarQube package we downloaded, and I also did some tar also. This is the one. Second we'll execute that one. To download any package from the internet, suppose I want a SonarQube package, I use wget command. So wget we will give, just go to sudo means sudo su, go to root user, okay, wget and the package URL we have to give. Like this it will download. Give ls. This is we downloaded Nexus or Sonatype Nexus. This is Sonatype Nexus site. Okay, we downloaded Nexus software here. ls hyphen lrth. See, this is the Nexus. Already we have, I think, yesterday we downloaded, no? So that it will not coming. Okay. rm hyphen rf. Yeah. ls hyphen lrth. This is the package we downloaded actually. Okay, next, if any package we download now, we want to tar the if you give hello, we have to use tar command. Okay, like this we have to use the tar command for the using the package. Okay, ls-f1 lrth. Okay, this is the Nexus package. Okay, which we did the tar right now. Okay, after that we will curl command I will tell you in the next few comments later. I will tell you ifconfig how to get IP address for our machine. If you give ifconfig, it will give you your IP actually. See here our private IP. This is our private IP which we are logging. So if you want to find out your IP, you have to give ifconfig. This is the IP, your machine IP, like that. Next one is to display memory details of your machine. The command is free hyphen m. This is the command. Okay, total is this one, and the used is 82, and available is 735, like that. Like that, you can get the memory details of your machine. Free hyphen m. Next one is top command to display running processes, CPU utilization, memory usage. If you want to find means, you have to use this top command. Using this top command, they will ask in interviews like CPU utilization, how to find out. Like you have to tell like top command, like that. Here you can show, it will show all the processes and all the CPU details and all, utilization and all. Okay, next one is how to install Git software in Ubuntu and Amazon Linux. So we have distributions like we have as per our distribution, we have to use the package manager. Package manager we have like two package managers, we have yum and apt. If you want to install Git in Ubuntu, you have to use apt package manager. You have to use apt package manager. If you want to install Git in Amazon Linux or Red Hat or CentOS, you have to use package manager is yum. Okay. Let us, this is our Amazon machine. Let's try to install Git here. I will check Git is there or not in the machine. Already Git is there. Let me remove this one for our demo. I am removing the Git for our demo purpose. So right now I want to install Git software. So yum install Git -y. So it will install the Git right now. Okay, it is installed. Now we have to find out version, Git hyphen version. Okay, 2.40, like that. So I installed in the Amazon machine. If you want to install in Ubuntu machine, now you have to use apt. Here I have given apt. Like this is the command you have to use. Okay, let us go next command. So grep command is used to search for a pattern in a file actually. Suppose, let me see, lsfnl th. I have some files here now. Let me see. Anything is there here. Suppose I have, wait, cat f3, cat f2, nothing is there. Cat f1, will see. Yeah, we have some commands here, some data here. Okay, let me go for cat employee. I will go to this file. Yeah, suppose I want to search for manager here, manager in this employee.txt. We have, see, this is the command we have to use, grep command. Grep, what is the command we have to find out? We want to find out employee manager. We have to give that one, grep, suppose manager employee dot txt. If I give like this means it will find out. See, only here we have clerk also there, peon also there, but we have who are managers, those details only it will display, those lines only it will display using grep. It will find out the manager in this file employee.txt, and it will display that those lines only. We have manager Ajay is there, and next one Amit is there, and any manager is there here, Varun also there here. So those three lines only it got displayed. Using grep command is used to search for a pattern in a particular file. Like this you can find out using grep command. Also this command is there not to find out the lines also it will display. Grep, same command you give it. If I give -n means it will display the line numbers also. See, 1, 3, 4. These are the line numbers in the employee.txt. These records are found. Using -n, you will get the, you can display the number of lines, number also for particular line. Okay, next we will go to awk command. See how it will same like suppose if I want to use awk command I want to print all the see the what is that cat employee dot txt file contains these records. Okay, these are the records we have. I want to use awk command to print the same. If I give awk and print employee.txt, it will print every line in the file. See, just type, we'll give it, execute it. See, we are not giving anything more than that. We are giving awk command, just we are asking to print and the file name, and just do this one like this. It will print all the lines in the employee.txt file. Okay, let me go for one more. See here, print the lines which match the given pattern. I want to print here I want to print only clerk only. Clerk. So I have to give clerk. Clerk. I want to print who are clerk. So we have to copy this command. I am specifying in front of see here okay, in front of awk in front of print I am giving clerk. So I want to find out only clerk who is having designation as clerk only I want to find out. In front of print we have to give clerk, and after that our file name. Then it is printing all the who are there. Sunil is there and Deepak is there as a clerk. It will print those details. Okay. Next one was splitting a line into fields. So $1 means here it will print the first column. Suppose we have here, how many columns are there in employee.txt? We have, this is one column, names column, this is designation column, like this is salary column. Here what it's saying, print only $1, $4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. So first column and fourth column only we have to display. So we have to use this command. Then see, if I give this command, it will print only two columns. That is first column, whose name column. This is Ajay, Sunil and all. This is salary column. This is fourth column. Like that we have given print $1, $4. Okay. Next. This column, this command will display all the employee details with numbers. It will give the numbering, line numbering actually. See here, it is displaying all the records with numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 like the record names. That is that. Okay. Next one is finish this. If I go to this command now, it will give numbering, and in that middle of that it will give one delimiter. See here, hyphen will come, nothing. Print nr means it will give the numbering 1. After that hyphen, it will display hyphen, and the $1 means the column is name column. So all the names are also displaying. Yes, what is sudoers file? Sudoers file is used to configure the user permission. While installing SonarCube and Nexus, we will create the Nexus user actually. I will create one Nexus user. So always we can't use root user. So for that we will create one user, Nexus user, for starting the Nexus and all. So for that we require we will configure this Nexus user in the sudoers file. For that purpose only we will use this sudoers file. Okay, like I will show you. Suppose vi sudo, I'll go here. See here, this is the root user. If I want, I have to create Nexus or Sonar user, same like this only, same and copy paste here. Okay, like that only we will create. For that only I am showing you how to do that one. Escape :q without saving. Q means okay. Bash HRC and .bash profile, we will set up the environment variable. Suppose we are installing Java means we have to set up the environment variable for that. For that only we will use this .bash hrc file. Whether Java is installed or not, let me see. Java hyphen version. Java is installed in my machine. Okay, I think I already set up this ls hyphen la. Okay, let us go here. Dot bash profile. Now I think already set up. Vi this one. See here. I think there is this one is not. Escape colon q. I have not done the setup guys. I will show you this one while doing. Okay, next one is we want to find Java. How to find Java in our system? For the command is we have find command is there. We have to use sudo. We are in sudo only. Find hyphen n hyphen name Java you have to go. Find command will show you the path where the Java is installed. See here it is displaying. See the bin path here is there now here. This is the one our JDK open. This one. Okay, like this we can find out the Java where it is installed and all. For in file also we can find out like that. Next one is install HTTPD web server in Amazon Linux. Let me install this one. I will show you. Sudo yum update. We have to give this command guys for it will update the latest packages. If anything is there means it will update it. Okay, it's done now. Yum install HTTPD hyphen y. We have installed the HTTPD package also. See, next is check the status of the web server and start the service and enable it. We need to check the status of the web server, whether we just now we install no, whether that web server is started or stopped. What is the status? We need to find out the status first. For that command is we use service command, service name HTTPD status. So right now it's not started guys. See here inactive dead. So that we need to start it. start. Okay, now again we go and check it. Check the status of the service. HTTP service we are checking. Right now it started. See, active. Right now it's running. Right, like that we can do the check the status and start the service. And also we have to enable the service also. For that the command is this one HTTP. Something wrong here. Okay. This is enable whenever our system is rebooted. No, if our service also, then that time it will go into stop that time. But using this enable, no, it will automatically start our service also. For that only we will use enable. Okay, done. Next what? Now you go to this cd where www.html. Okay, cd slash where www.html. Okay, go here ls hyphen l. Nothing is there here. I will create one index.html guys. Here we index.html. I am creating one index.html file here. Okay, I am typing something like I insert mode h1. Welcome to Linux. Okay, I am saving it :wk. Okay, let me first remove this file. I will show you what I will show you once again. rm this one. I will show you what will happen actually. Okay, what will happen? We have to we have installed that web server guys. Now we will check we have to open one port number for web server. Go here. Web server will run on the port number 80 actually. So first we go to our instance and take this IP and you have to give enter, you give it. It will not work, we have to open the port. Let me go and open the port now. Go to security and have to go to edit inbound rules, add rule, open the port 80 guys. We need this port number for HTTPD web server, and you have to open this all zeros. All zeros means we can access from anywhere. Okay, click this one and save rules. Okay, we have opened the port. Now you go here, see here, this is the Apache web server. This is the default home page of the Apache. After opening the port only it came. See, I have given this now. After opening the port only, this we are able to see the Apache. Now I want to suppose as a developer I want to create one page actually. VI index.xml, index.html. Give something like h1 welcome to Linux. Okay, now what will happen, we'll see. Escape colon wq. Okay, saved it guys. Now refresh it. See here, given wrongly, sorry. Welcome to this one. See here it is wrong, this one. We have to give, go to insert command, welcome to Linux. Like this you can give the anything you can give here that will display here. This is like a static website. Whatever it is you can tell, like h1 Devops learner program. If I give the new line means it will display over there. See, now what will happen, I will refresh means it will display only static pages only. Like this we can do. Okay, next one is what is there in our next command. I think we finished all the 50 commands. Now we will start Maven. Are you able to understand guys what happened? Hello?
Yes, doctor.
Okay.
Yes, yeah.
Okay. You have to practice all these commands, like Linux commands, 50 commands. Linux will be little boring for all of you because you already know, I think, most of the people. But people who are freshers, no, they can, they don't know, no. So we have to, we have to teach them. That's the thing. All the 50 commands I have covered. So these 50 commands is required for our Linux, for like no need to have more expertise. These commands we use mostly in our while using some installing softwares or these things. Okay, let us start quickly our Maven. Okay, you please practice these commands who don't know. I'm saying. And let me open Maven. So let us start with Maven. So for Maven, we need to have like Java. For Maven is a build tool actually. For let us see something about Java. Suppose when developers are writing some Java code and all, they will write more number of Java programs, right? Java project contains several Java programs. Those in 10 minutes it is going to end actually. Okay, let us finish it. Okay. So developers will write Java programs to develop an application. So these all the Java programs will be saved with .java. Okay. After they are writing the Java code, they will compile that code. Suppose I'm writing some code, no, welcome, welcome to Java, something like that. They have to compile this program with Java C, Java C, welcome dot welcome, like that. Okay, welcome dot Java, right? Like that, they have to compile that code. After writing the code, they have to compile the code. So we need to compile project source code into bytecode. This is also called bytecode. We need, when we compile project source code, we get dot class file. Once I compile here, na, it will display one dot class file. It will give us one dot class file. Okay, to deploy Java project, we will package all dot class files as jar or war files. Here we don't deploy this dot class files into our application. We don't deploy directly this dot class files. We have to package this dot class files as jar or var. This will be packaged as jar or var. That is the what we are saying here. To deploy Java project, we will package all .class files as jar file or var file. Jar means Java archive files, var means web archive files. See, standalone Java projects will be packaged as jar file. Standalone Java applications means we have calculator, notepad. These all comes under standalone Java applications. See here, standalone applications means a project which runs only in one computer. Those are called notepad, calculator. These things we will develop using standalone applications. Those will be packaged as jar, that is Java archive files. For web applications, it will be packaged as a war file. For web applications, we will package the dot class files as a war file. See here, web applications means will be packaged as a war file. Multiple users can access web applications at a time. Like, see, these are the examples of web applications: Gmail, Facebook, Flipkart. So these are comes under war web archive. Okay, standalone means only for developing applications like calculator, notepad, these things. Java archive. For web applications means we will develop like applications like Facebook. These things all come under web archive, web applications. Next one is build tools. build tools build tools are used to automate application build process. So normally we do the manually, they will compile the program and all, no? But using build tools to automate the application build process, we use these build tools. What it will do, it will compile the source code, it will download the required dependencies. Download required dependencies means for every project we have, for Java project we have Spring, Hibernate. These are all the dependencies for that project. So those dependencies will be downloaded from the repositories, the central repositories. It will download actually. So the second point is this one: execute unit test cases. Also, developer will write the unit test cases. Those will also it will execute. After finishing it, it will package all the .class files into jar or var file. That is about this four points. So these all the things build tools will do actually. Again we wrote here, jar means Java archive. It is package format for Java standalone applications. Var means web archive files. It is package format for Java web applications. Okay. See here it is Maven. Maven is a free and open source software given by Apache organization. Maven software is developed using Java programming language. Maven is used to perform build automation for Java projects. Maven is called a Java build tool. So Maven is a build tool for Java applications. It is a free open source. Okay, it is developed by Apache organization. Okay, it is the Maven software is developed using Java programming language. So why we will use this Maven? To automate the build process, we will use this Maven tool. Okay. These are the steps for installing the installing and downloading Java and Maven in a Windows machine. Let me show you one small project. See here we have archetype. Archetype means we have some technologies are there. Archetype means Maven archetype quick start means it represents Java standalone applications. Maven archetype web app means it represents Java web application. I will show you one small today so that you can understand. So we will run one quick start here. This is a quick start. If it is quick start means this is a standalone application. I am running this one. I am opening. I want to give here something like I want to give some FB. Copy this one. Go to this program like Maven Devops tools. Build. I want to create one program here. I want to see. You have to you create one folder for practice purpose. Maven practice or something. You create one folder here. I thought I'll create it. 1 second. I'll create here. Maven practice. I'm creating one folder. Enter. Go into this folder. After this, you have to click here and you type cmd. Enter. Okay. After this, you give that we have copied one command, no? Maven command. Just enter here. See what will happen here. I'm creating one Maven project here. See, build is successful. What we have given one name now? I have given one name FB in the command. So FB created one folder. So it contains one structure. It will give us one structure source. Here it will contain all the source, main, test, all the things. Okay. Here we got like Pom.xml. Pom.xml means project object model. It will these are things it will give us. After that we have in Maven we will run goals also. The command is mvn clean. Just I am running for today. I will explain it tomorrow. Clean and package. So this is the project structure. We are clean means it will clean the previous build and it will create the package for this application, FB application. See, mvn clean package is the goals actually for Maven. Some error came, guys. Okay, after creating this folder Maven practice, I should go into FB folder. FB, this one many people will do the mistake here while learning. Just give FB. We have to go into our project. CD FB. Then you run mvn clean package. mvn clean package. I am running the goals of Maven clean and package. Clean will remove the previous build actually. Package will package our application. Our dot class files will be packaged into jar or var. Right now my build is successful here, guys. If I go into target, my jar or var will be there in the target folder. So you go into target. See, all the files came right now. FB snapshot. Okay, like that. Pom.xml.